Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm doing a hair review on this wig I got from Recool. It is super cute. It's an everyday wig. I really truly love it. If you guys want to see me unbox this wig, please continue to watch. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you guys can follow me there, so you can participate on my polls, giveaways, question answers, all that I have going on. I am going to be having a giveaway soon because it has been so long since I've had a giveaway. It is definitely time, so make sure you guys look out for that video. I will be posting it on my YouTube and my Instagram. You'll definitely have to be following me on Instagram to win, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, let's get right into it. So first you get a cute little baggie that says Recool on it. Inside you get a bonnet, hair clips, wig cap, comb, headband, lashes. You also get a baby hair brush, but I took that out earlier and I can't find it. Then you'll get the box. It says Recool on there. And then we have the wig. All right, so this is the wig. It is a 14-inch 13 by 4 frontal, which this is pretty deep for 13 by 4 in my opinion. The density is 180. These curls feel really soft and juicy. The ends look really good. All right, so I'm gonna go in. Let me show you guys the edges. It does look like it's pre-plucked. I'm gonna go in and pluck just a little bit more. There is a little part on here, but it definitely goes back like further than the part does. Mariah's here with me today, so if you guys hear her randomly, it's because she's chilling right here next to me. But yeah, so this is the hairline on the other side. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go in and pluck some of this. I'll put some foundation on it, and then I will show you guys how I install it. It is a traditional cap with the 4 combs and adjustable straps. All I do with this lace is just cut it off. That is it. But I will be back to show you guys how I install this one. But she's looking real cute. This looks like it's gonna be a cute, like, everyday wig, like easy to manage, curly. Just put some water on it. Cute. Okay, you guys, so I'm all done styling the wig. I just honestly threw some water in it to redefine the curls, because I did pluck some of the edges and then like combed out the curls, so it was a little fluffy. So I just sprayed some water in it and then just blow dried it dry, and it is all the way dry now. I also put some foundation on the lace and the parting, and then I just threw 2 little swoops here, and then some sideburns on these sides. And this is what the hair is looking like. The curls are really pretty. I really love the length of this. This is giving me everyday cute mom. About to run errands. Very easy to manage. I love a nice curly wig. I love this lace. It was really easy to work with. It was actually, if you guys watched my last video, I was struggling with the last wig because my head is so large, but I did not have that problem at all with this wig. So A to the man. Let me show you guys the back real quick. All right, that is the back. She is so freaking cute. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig, where you can get it, the direct link, all that good stuff. Thank you again, Recool, for sending me this wig. It is beautiful. It is lovely. I love it. If you're looking for an everyday wig, a go to work wig, I mean, this can even be a vacation vibe. I bet you this hair would curl, would straighten really nicely, and you can have you a nice little long lob. But yes, this can be date night too. So definitely check out the description box for the website so you guys can go look at this wig. Thank you again for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.